Okay, this is a quick recording to walk you through how to pull the corners on this property that you're interested in Google Earth or Google Maps. So I'm going to scroll down. So I've already selected the details page here. I'm going to scroll down to the northeast GPS coordinate. I'm going to select that coordinate, just the numbers. And we'll go ahead and copy that. Make sure you don't have any spaces on the edges or it won't work for you. So I'll hit copy. Now I already have another window or a browser open here. So this is just a Google Chrome, Google search. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste those numbers and hit go. That will pull up the map, and I'll click on the map. Now, because I already have the Google Maps app installed on my phone, it pulled up the GPS coordinates in the map. So there you have it. It's really that simple to go ahead and find the corners. Let's actually jump back over to the web browser and open up this here and just check on the photos. So the corner that I chose was the northeast corner. If we zoom in on the photo here, you can see that's the northeast corner in this overlay, this boundary overlay that we created in Google Earth. So that'll give you an idea of once all the corners are plotted, and when you're out there in person, it will usually get you within 6 feet of accuracy of that point. So you can walk with your phone in your hand and find the boundaries of that land. So thanks a lot. Again, Mark with Land Paradise. Cheers.